Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the new Thunderbolt Solar 7-watt solar panel kit. This just came out recently from Harbor Freight, and I just got it this afternoon. It's $30, and I think that's a pretty good deal for a 7-watt panel. I think I paid $15 for a 1.5-watt trickle charger, solar trickle charger. So we're going to do an unboxing, and we'll see exactly what we get with this. All right, so I pulled the stuff out of the box, and looks like you have a bag with all your cables. You get your battery terminal cables. You have a 12-volt outlet plug for your vehicle, and you also have a USB port there. So it looks like you can charge basically anything you'd plug a USB into. So that's pretty cool. And then you have the actual panel right here. And it looks like we got the instructions inside there. All right, I'm gonna put this down and pick back up. All right, I got the panel out of the bag there, and guys, this thing is huge. Look at the size of this thing. I grabbed a tape measure just for reference. Quick tip also, if you're always losing tape measures like I am, go to Harbor Freight. I think these are in the $1.99 bin or something like that. I just grabbed 3 or 4 of them at a time. If I lose them, no big deal. But this panel, from outside to outside, is over 13 inches. Yeah, a little over 13 inches square. And it looks like the actual glass is about, I'd say 11.5 square, almost 12 square. This is a large panel. It does have a little tilt leg right there that supports itself, and it's got the plug coming out. I'm gonna go grab an iPad, and I'm going to plug it in and see if this thing will charge off of the LED lamp inside the garage. All right, so I grabbed one of those little portable battery chargers that you use to charge your phone or anything. I actually had it in the garage, and I plugged in the USB adapter here to the plug coming out of the solar panel. And the light on here isn't lighting up, so I'm assuming that maybe it's just not enough light going onto the panel for it to boot this thing up. The blue light did come on saying that there is actually energy going to the panel, I would assume, but perhaps it's just not enough. So I will do a follow-up video and I will test this out fully. But this is basically what it comes with. There's also some, looks like, I don't know, wood drywall screws that so you can mount this thing, or wood screws, whatever they are. I'm not a carpenter. So you can install this thing on the side of a house, shed, wherever you're gonna put it. And there are 4 holes, 1, 2, 3, and 4 on the corners for that. But I'm excited to use this. Make sure to look out for the follow-up video where I actually test it out outside in broad daylight to see what this puppy can do. Thanks for watching.